Hi guys, I'm Toby, one of the physios here from Bodylogic Health, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about shin splints. So what is shin splints? Shin splints is also known as medial tibial stress syndrome. Now this is where we can get a localised inflammation along your shin bone, which can typically occur from overtraining. So as physios we commonly see this loads of marathon runners that suddenly change the intensity, duration and amount that they're training at. So typically we see patients come into us with pain going all along the inside of their shin bone. Now this can really be at any point, but we tend to see it slightly lower down. If you have been experiencing some of these symptoms, initially you can either reduce the intensity or reduce the volume of training to help really decrease that load and give the bone a little bit of a break. You can also have a look at changing other aspects such as your footwear and maybe the surface of ground that you're running on. You can then also try some ice and anything else like ibuprofen to help decrease the pain and swelling within that region. However, if you find your symptoms don't settle after changing some of these factors, it may be well worth popping in to see one of us at Bodylogic Health, as more often than not, we find that actually there's other issues going on that can contribute to this pain and this overloading of the shin. Examples of this could be tightness in your hip flexor, meaning you can't get full extension in your glutes, so it changes the biomechanics of your running. There could also be a decrease of weakness in your calf, which again means you're increasing the load going through your tibia. So how can we help you at Bodylogic Health? Well, initially the physio will prescribe some targeted strengthening exercises to help reduce some of the deficits, as well as do some manual therapy to help reduce the pain. We will then work with you to give you a guided journey in your return back to your sport, which will incorporate a little bit of a loading strategy. And then at Bodylogic Health, we can have a look at other aspects, such as your running biomechanics and your form, just to help reduce the risk of re-injury.